Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what's in my course, Journaling for Beginners. This is a course where you can learn how to create a journaling practice to improve your life. So this is a culmination of all of the information that I have learned in all of my life of journaling myself and taking a couple of courses about journaling and just researching the subject in general. So there's a lot of information here, and this is perfect for beginners, like it says, and it's also good for people that just love journaling. So if you already are a journaler, you're going to get some benefit out of this because there's probably some information in here that will help you with your journaling practice. So let's get started with showing you what's in this video here, or in this course. So this is on Udemy, and Udemy often, as you see at the top here, has percentages off, and right now it's at 67% off, so it's only $14.99. Now, of course, when you're watching this video, it's going to be in the future most likely, so it might not be at this price again. But if it's at $44, that's still a pretty good price because a lot of courses are over $100. So whether or not you catch Udemy at their the time when they decide to put courses on sale, you might be spending $14.99. So that would be great. So here's what's all in the course. You're going to learn the many benefits of journaling. Now, if you are a follower of my channel, you probably have seen my video called The Benefits of Journaling. This here is an expanded version of that. It's got a little bit more, it's more in depth. It's not the same video. So then there's also the 20 types of journaling, and that goes the same because I also did a video on the types of journaling, and this video is more in depth and has more types. And then there's also how to improve journaling to, how to use journaling to improve your life, and you're going to learn all the ways that you can do that. And then there's 4 methods for journaling and the pros and cons of each. Again, I did make a video on that on my YouTube channel, but this one's more in depth and I talk about each one of them more. It's a different video altogether. And then you will also learn the basic guidelines to a successful journaling practice. And I did also make a video about the guidelines. And again, I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot, but this is another enhanced video that's different from the video that is on this channel. So if you have watched any of my previous channels and you liked what you saw, you'll definitely like this course because it goes more into depth with all of those things. So you'll learn how to transform your life from the inside out by creating a solid daily journaling practice. You will learn why journaling is so therapeutic because there are many benefits for the body, mind, and soul, and I talk about these a lot, so you'll learn about those. You will discover the various types of journaling. There is a journaling type for everyone. You can compare the different methods of journaling to find out which one is right for you. You will learn the basic guidelines of journaling, which will help you to make journaling a successful lifelong habit. And that's really what it's all about, is making it work for you. And that is why the guidelines are so important. You can jumpstart your journaling practice by using exercises and journal prompts to ignite inspiration and creativity. Now, this is the section where if you all are already a journaler and you know what works for you, these things that I talk about, these exercises and journal prompts, they'll just inspire you even more and ignite your creativity and take your journaling practice to the next level. So like I said, it's good for anybody that even already does journaling or beginners. You can track your daily journaling habits so you can hold yourself accountable and increase your journaling success. So this sentence here is pretty important as well. You will learn everything you need to become your own therapist, your own life coach, your own best friend through the process of journaling. Now that sounds a little bit a bold claim, but journaling is therapy, and a lot of therapists require you to journal. It's part of their method of helping you. And so if you can do this on your own and see some improvement, you will save yourself some therapy. Everybody would rather, heal themselves in the privacy of their own home without having to spend time and money on therapy. You might need it eventually, but if you don't need it, you can get by with just doing it this way. This is a perfect example of something you could try first. And that goes the same with the life coach, because, well, I can't really go too far in detail in this video, but in the course, it explains how that this can help you, how journaling can help you transform your life and basically take control of your life and get the answers from yourself that you need without having to ask somebody else. And then becoming your own best friend. That sounds a little weird, I know, but it's because when you're writing in a journal, that is the only outlet you have to be completely and 100% honest. Nobody else is going to read your journal, and you don't have to filter your thoughts. And in this sense, you're telling your journal more things than you tell even your best friend. And so that is why your journal will become your new best friend. So this course includes, you can see over here, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and that's through Udemy, so you have 30 days, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back. An hour and a half of on-demand video, which means you can watch it anytime you want. Like it says right here, full lifetime access. Now, if you're already on Udemy, you know this if you've taken courses before. You have full lifetime access to all the courses you take. You can watch the videos anytime, as many times as you would like. So, aside from the hour and a half of video, there are 4 articles and 7 downloadable resources. So, we're going to scroll down here. Who is this course for? Anyone who is curious about journaling, anyone who already has a journaling practice and wants to dive deeper, anyone who needs a way to express themselves, anyone who wants to get to know themselves better, anyone who wants to improve their life through journaling. So here you go are the sections. There's an introduction, which is a quick video from me, journaling benefits, types of journaling, journaling methods, journaling guidelines. Now these first 4 here are the bulk of the videos, and you can see they're a little bit longer than the ones that I have on this channel. They go a little more in depth on all those subjects. Plus you'll also be getting the exercises. So this is it's not letting me click on it for some reason. I think it's because I'm not actually a student. But there's a couple pages of exercises that you can print off. And then the assessment as well. No, it's not letting me click on that either. And then a journaling tracker, and then journaling prompts. I can actually show you these because I have these on other parts of my computer. I can just get those later and show them to you. So that is it. And so far, I've had 10 reviews. I've had 62 students, and I've had 3 courses. This is of all my stuff together, not just this one. I've also got a holistic lifestyle course, and then I've also got a course on how to make printables using PowerPoint. So I've got a pretty good rating there. So that's pretty awesome because these are all like, my first courses, the first courses I've ever done. And my health one here has 5 stars, or yeah, there are 5 of them, 5 stars. And the PowerPoint printables ones has 4.5 stars. Well, probably some 5s in there too. So I'm just showing you what you're gonna see when you go to Udemy and check this video out. And now I'm going to show you a little bit more of what those printable sections were that you're gonna get in this course. All right, so here is the PDF that I have all of these printable things together. Now in the course, they're going to be separate, but for the sake of this video, I put them all together so I can show you easier. So the first thing is a journaling assessment. So as you can see, there are some questions that you can answer. And here are the assessment prompts, some more things to ask yourself. These are fun questions. Everybody loves journaling prompts, right? Here are the journaling methods, pros and cons. So they're all listed here, and in the video I go in depth. Plus you also get this to print off. You will have all of these printables. So these are all for you to keep forever and download them to your computer and print them. So the journaling types and the description of each. Journaling guidelines. This is a really good page for you to print off and laminate so you can always have it by you every time you journal. Here's another page of that. There's a couple pages of those. Here's the journaling tracker. So this is how you can keep track of your morning and your nighttime journaling. Just put a check in each one. So there's, you can print this off as many times as you need to. This is for inspiration and motivation to keep you going because nobody wants to do something 5 or 6 days in a row and then realize that they skipped a day. So this will keep you from having that problem. Here are the journaling exercises. There are writing lists, unsent letters, captured moments, life assessment, scripting, and multiple lives. And then there's journaling prompts. As you can see, there's a lot here. There's 4 pages of journaling prompts for you to use whenever you run out of ideas, whenever you have writer's block. So I really hope that you got some benefit out of this video and you are inspired to start a journaling practice, because journaling is one of the best things that you can do for your mental health, for your spiritual health, and like you will find out in the course, there are even physical benefits to journaling, believe it or not. So if you know anybody that loves journaling or you think would enjoy taking this course, send this video to them, and be sure to like this video and subscribe. If you are a journal addict, you will love this channel, because I talk all about journaling and I give journaling inspiration and tips and tricks, and I show you all of the journaling pages that I create and sell in my Etsy shop. And of course this course here, which is pretty much almost everything that I know about journaling in one place. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.